Sa video na to, ipapakita ko kung paano mag-cancel ng Google Play subscription. Open Google Play Store, top right, at yung Google account na ginamit natin sa Google Play subscription. Payments and subscriptions. Subscriptions. Ito yung active subscription ko guys. Automatic deduction ito guys, kaya lang nag-payment decline dahil insufficient ang aking balance. Tap natin itong active na app. Tap natin ang cancel subscription. Mamili tayo dito guys ng reason. Ang napili ko ay decline to answer. Cancel subscription. Tap natin itong see current subscriptions. Ito na guys, ang nakalagay sa taas, you don't have any active subscriptions. Pwede rin nating itap itong remove. Remove. Remove.